Greetings, I'm Janet and this video is about what handmade products to sell in your plush doll business. We are going to see what people are actively searching for to buy, and then we're going to expand on it. So if you have recently started a handmade business, congratulations. And if you've been going for a while, either way, this video will share some ideas and insights to help you in your handmade business. Please watch till the end, as I'm going to give you some insight on why being a small business owner, you have the advantage over big businesses and how you can leverage it for yourself. And please do your own keyword research. So let's get started. I'm using google.com. We will be flipping over and checking out Etsy as well to see what's going on over there. What I will say is use Google search or any search engine if you're selling your products via your website, because obviously the search engine is going to pull the information from your website to get them into their search results for their users. If you're selling via a marketplace, use that search facility in that marketplace to help you rank your products and do your keyword information. So let's get started. So we are doing plush doll. So we are finding products that jump out at us that we know that we can expand on to create a product from, or to give us product ideas. Plush doll girl, plush doll pattern, plush doll fabric, plush doll with your face, plush doll clothes, meaning plush doll for baby girl, plush doll girl. So we'll go with plush doll girl because obviously that's a product. It's a plush doll, it's a girl. So we'll go with that. First of all, you can see ads. As we scroll down, we've got Etsy. We'll go over there in a minute. Amazon. Images. This is like Google Your Business, where you can register your business. And we've got best dolls for kids, eBay, and other places where they say plush dolls. What I will say is just by having a glance over here. Plush toy. What I'm going to say is if the keyword that we're using is plush doll girl, as we scroll down, as you can see, what's bold is what Google is using to pull the order of their results. And for Amazon, I'm using plush doll toy, and then for Etsy, they use plush doll for girls. I think they've put Amazon above Etsy because I think Amazon is just more powerful than Etsy. Because I think Etsy keyword is actually much closer than Amazon, but it's the power of the rankings. And then if we scroll down, we got plush dolls. No plush down here. Nothing is bold that says plush doll girl. This is showing me that none of these companies are actually targeting this keyword for the product that they actually sell, you know. So let me just quickly do something. I'm putting quotes around this. This is literally gonna localize my search results now, and it's only gonna show me that are actually using that keyword as is. So the results came down drastically, and let's see now. Here we go. Plush doll girl, that's Etsy. Plush doll girl, that's Amazon. Plush doll girl, plush doll girl. So, and here's the thing, there's actually less results to actually use this keyword. Now, consumers don't search like this. Only SEO marketers and people who are obsessed with keywords have all these strings and different ways to find out how many people are searching for certain things. And by typing that, they're gonna see all the listings, but none of them actually fit you as a business now makes plush doll. You utilize this keyword, especially if you're selling via your website. If you utilize this keyword in your content and in your product descriptions and in your product titles, will get pushed up onto pages with Amazon, Etsy. Yeah, you might not get the first or second, but up to the third here, but you might just drop below here. Why? Because you would be the only one doing content that's literally using this keyword. And if you have other content based around this keyword as well, then you're actually giving yourself leverage. But I'll talk about that later on in the video. Okay then, so let's take this. Oh, let's just take the plush doll, sorry, and we're gonna go to Etsy. Again, if you're selling in another marketplace, this should work over there as well. So let's have a look what we have here. Plush doll baby, plush doll sewing pattern, plush doll clothes. We want a product, so we're going to go plush doll baby. The top section, ignore, because these are paid. So they are paying to be there. So we're going to move straight past those. I'm going to come down to these two sections here. Now remember that your keyword for this that people are actively looking for is plush doll baby. Now also what I want to show you is Etsy is telling me that no other keyword, or there's no other long tail keyword that is using this keyword. So this keyword is the keyword that you should be using to get found for this product. Now let me tell you now, I can see it straight away that no business on this page is actually using that keyword as their main keyword. I see this a lot, but a lot of business owners think and put the keyword down the way they think. So, for example, we've got personalized doll, personalized baby doll. All these are plush dolls, but none of them actually say plush doll. Sometimes keywords may not make sense to you, but it makes sense to the person who's actually writing it in there. What I would say for your plush doll baby that you're selling, have it at the beginning of your keyword, and you should get pushed up onto the front page at least, or near to the top, because none of these listings have that at the beginning of their titles. Also, these companies here, these have got prime location on Etsy's page. You need to go into them, see what products that they're selling, see if they focus on plush dolls or they sell lots of different other products. Check out what people have brought from them, check out their reviews, testimonies, see what people have said. If they've got negative reviews, I'm sorry if they do, read what people have said, so that makes sure that you don't make those mistakes. This is business research and market research for your business, and you don't have to do any of the work. These companies have already done it for you. So we'll take plush doll baby, and we're going to expand on that over on SEO book. SEO book is like Google AdWords, but way better. It takes the first 50 pages from Google AdWords and gives you all the information that you need without you having to jump through hoops. Let me read a little bit about how they work. This database was built using data from Google AdWords. Even if you set up an AdWords account and spend significantly sums of money with them, they may require you to run an ad campaign for at least 3 to 4 months straight before they show reasonably precise data. So Google want you to spend a good amount of money with them before they even give you the data that you are paying them for to help better your business. You can use this keyword or other keyword tools online, because there are so many, to help you expand on your keywords, to help you build your keyword list, and to help you find new products for your business. Let me explain what you are seeing. So from left to right, we have keyword, then we have US data and UK data, depending on where you are in the world or where you sell your product in the world. Then we have search volume, impressions, clicks, click-through rate, bid, cost per click, ad spend, and the value of traffic in monetary terms. Use this information or any other keyword tool that you use to either increase your keyword list for when you're doing your product titles and your product tags, or to help you find new products that people are actually looking for. So let's scroll through this list and see if we can pull out at least 3 other products that you could be adding to your business repertoire. Passports, baby plush dolls, personalized plush baby dolls. So remember when we looked at Etsy, let me just quickly jump to Etsy. You remember down here where we had personalized doll? Personalized doll. Here is actually the keyword personalized plush baby doll. Now, if you copy that and put that into Etsy and that becomes a keyword, you could rank for that, especially if nobody else is using that as their product keyword title. So that's a good one. A baby Minnie Mouse plush doll. So I assume that's the theme of like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. That's 2. Plush doll baby doll. Pink plush baby doll. That would be another product that you could pull out. So as I've just shared with you, 3 have jumped out at us that you could turn into products. But before you do so, copy those, put them into Google search if you're selling on your website, put them into the marketplace where you're selling to see what other keyword suggestions those places give you. Use those as tags, product titles, and so yes, we are then done here on SEO book keyword 2. What I want to quickly share with you is that being a small handmade business owner, you have a lot of power, because against big companies, you are able to create content that you can wrap around your products, and then this content can become evergreen for you. As you create more content, you are leveraging the eyeballs on your business, you're pushing up yourself in the search rankings, because understand that big companies want people to find them via a specific product. Now, small business owners, we want to do that as well. A lot of people will find the content first before the product. Then if you can leverage your content and pull people in, you are then pulling people into your business. Once you have people pulled into your business, you are then able to direct them to your products. Then you convert them to your customers and then to long, loyal fans. If you have a business, we all know it's really hard to market. So in the comments below, share your business name and what you sell, so others in the comments can come and check you out and see what you're all about. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So until next time, be passionate, be focused.